If you are looking for a new patio for your home, you may be wondering about the different types of paver stones. Pavers can come in many colors and materials, including bricks, tiles, and concrete. They are popular for many reasons, including their low cost and easy installation. Here are some pros and cons of each material. Listed below are some of the most common types of stones. Each stone offers a unique look and feel. Marble is another type of paver stone you can use for your outdoor space. Made from limestone exposed to extreme heat and pressure, marble is a classy option that adds to the beauty of your home. However, marble is not suitable for high-traffic areas because it can get hot under the sun and can stain easily. A high-quality marble patio can cost you a lot. If you choose this material, make sure you invest in a good base before you start laying the pavers. If you're planning to use marble as your patio pavers, make sure you hire the best contractors for the job. Marble paving is also a high-maintenance and time-consuming project. However, it is worth it if you have the budget.